So I'm about to get ready for the Aladdin movie. I am so excited. Today I'm gonna go for a Jasmine inspired look. I really want to do a dramatic wing eyeliner. I have a little blue outfit that I want to wear that it looks kind of similar to Jasmine's outfit, and so maybe I'll put some little blues on my eyes, and I really want golden skin. This is just gonna be a Jasmine inspired makeup and outfit. I'm not gonna try and look like Jasmine. Like, this isn't like a Halloween or a costume type of tutorial. I'm just feeling inspired. I'm just excited to go watch the movie. So I already did my face. I'm currently baking. I did my eyebrows as well, just because I want the focus of this video to just be the eyes, because it's gonna be pretty dramatic, I feel like. Don't know if I'm gonna do a talk through during this whole entire video. I do have the air conditioning in the back, so you can hear that. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm making sure to wing out the outer edges of my eyes, because I really want to get like a cat eye effect. A very Arab inspired eye makeup. Take a small detailed brush, pick up this color here. So now I'm applying this darker color to create some depth. You see that? This little small brush so that I can be precise. Very lightly and carefully blend the two eyeshadows together. Light pressure, gentle strokes. So I'm winging this out here, like flicking the brush back. It's kind of like past my eyebrow. Gently again blend. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do light blue and then like a dark blue out here. I'm gonna take Zola from Juvia's Place, stamp it out here. Oh yeah, I have baby nails now. Trying to let my natural nails grow. The color of my outfit is pretty much like the color of my nails. This color I'm applying looks a little bit more teal. Now, with another finger, I'm going to pick up Yamoja or Yamoja. This one's more silvery colored. Place that right on top. This looks really teal. I wanted this to look baby blue. So I'm picking up a little bit more of the brown that I applied in here with the same brush, and I'm gently applying a little bit more color but blending out the lid color at the same time. Let me see, I think I'm gonna add some of this Dahlia color because this looks too teal for me. I wanted it more baby blue like my nails. So I have a flat shader brush. I'm gonna stamp it onto the outer edge over top of that previous color we applied. This is just going to tone down the tealness of it. And then, like I did over here, I'm going to like wing out the edge of this one too. Let's follow the shape we did earlier with the brown. I'm gonna take Mino a little bit. With the very first color that I applied, Canon, we're gonna apply that right in here. Just kind of blend everything out and also add a little bit more pigmentation. It's always best to add shadow as you go along. Like add a little bit at a time. Now I'm thinking I was gonna put blue, but now I'm thinking gold. Would that look weird? Should I apply gold? Oh my god, what do I do? Gold or blue? This is a very yellow gold. Okay, we'll keep it. I love how pigmented these eyeshadows are, and they're so buttery, so you don't even really have any fallout. I like it. This looks so Jasmine inspired with the gold, so I decided to keep it. Excited. Okay, so now we can do our eyeliner. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more. I know the lighting is weird because the sun is like shining right behind me, but I'm gonna try and do extended inner corner. I actually used to do my eyeliner like this all the time when I was in high school. I never put black in my waterline. It feels so weird. So now I'm gonna take this dark brown, a small little brush. This is, what is this? This is an e.l.f. concealer brush. Okay, I'm gonna apply mascara and dust off my bake, and then we'll apply our false lashes. And here we are, 5 million hours later. Looking like Jasmine. I just curled up my hair a little bit, added some gold jewelry. I got my outfit on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!